Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be blow drying my hair for the very first time ever, and I'm super excited about it. At the same time, I'm super scared because there's this thing, it's called heat damage and I don't want it. Anyway, so I got a few products, not a lot, just 2 products I'm going to be using for this. And of course, I've got my handy dandy blow dryer, and I'm also going to be trimming off my ends because they've been feeling a little bit strange recently, and I'm trying to do a braid out. And I heard, well, from the research that I've been doing, that if my ends are kind of scraggly, my braid outs won't come out good. So I decided to blow out my hair and trim off my ends, and then head over to the braid outs. And if you would like to see a braid out video, make sure you comment that down below. Also, before we head into the video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to this channel. The button is just like that. It's somewhere, okay? You can just find it. It's red, it's big. You can just tap it, okay? Subscribe. To start off, I already have my hair in sections. Like I said before, I've never done this before, so of course I had to watch a few tutorials here on YouTube from bigger channels that have done this a couple times, and I found this tutorial by bubsbee, and I absolutely love it. It seems very simple, and she has similar products to me. Like, we're not using the same brand, but she didn't use a heat protectant, she used something else instead. And I don't have a heat protectant, but her alternative I do have. So I'm going to show you, as we go on in the video. I'm going to start with this first section, this one down here. Let me just use that one to test. She also mentioned that when you are blow drying your hair, it is very important that your hair is moisturized, and it is important that your hair is damp. Like, it doesn't necessarily have to be soaking wet, but it does have to be damp. So in this first section, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner. And if you know me, it's definitely going to be MEGAGROWTH leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to take a little bit of my leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to apply it to that section. Not too much, just a little bit. Make sure you get them roots, and make sure you get them ends. Your ends are the fragile part, so make sure you get them ends, okay? But then again, I'm gonna trim off my ends. Whatever. I'm just gonna put it. Now, the consistency of my leave-in conditioner is kind of, it's kind of soft. It's very watery, so I feel like there is no need to dampen my hair. Like, I feel like there is no need to add water. But to be on the safe side, I'm just gonna spritz my hair with just a little bit of water. Okay, that should do. Okay, so instead of heat protectant, bubsbee used oil for her heat protectant, so I'm going to be doing the same thing. Hopefully I don't get any heat damage, because if I do, oh my god. Nobody send me message over, now me send myself. Okay, let's see how this goes. I'm putting on a lot of oil because I don't want to take no chances. And make sure I get the ends. Always get your ends, sis. Get your ends. Okay. Moment of truth. Da 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 da. Also, she mentioned that your hair should be like properly detangled before you go in with your blow dryer. So I'm just gonna detangle my hair, starting from the ends and working my way up to the roots. Now, moment of truth. I'm so scared. Okay. Okay, before this thing starts to make noise, let me just say that I am putting it on medium heat, okay? I'm not putting it on low heat because I'm not trying to sleep here. I'm putting it on medium heat, okay? And I'm going to hold the blow dryer a little, there's going to be a little bit of space, a little bit of social distancing between my hair strands and the hair dryer, all right? Okay, so medium heat and social distancing. Get that, okay? Okay, checking in. I am beginning to see some length, but it's not dry yet. Like it's not ready. It's still cooking. Ooh. Okay. 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 Now for my ends, because like I don't think the blow dryer is getting my ends at all. So I'm just going to like okay. 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 We've got blow dried hair, guys. It's looking good. Now let's get these ends. Let's get these crusty ends. I hope you can see like the parts that I have to cut off. They're looking kind of scraggly. They're looking, you know, unhealthy, and they feel very bad too. They feel very riddled with knots and stuff. So I'm just gonna take a small tooth comb and I'm gonna comb through it. I should probably start from under. I'm gonna just comb through it. See that? See those ends? Those raggedy ends? I'm gonna snip them off. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yes. This is how your ends should feel. Very nice. Okay, beautiful hair come through. I'm liking how this is looking. This looks good. I'm gonna just continue that technique throughout the rest of the sections. You can tell that it's gonna be a long process. Look how long it took me to do just this. I'm just gonna come back when I get to the front, maybe just to repeat the process one more time for anyone that wasn't paying attention. Let's go. Almost done with my entire head, and I'm back again for those of y'all who weren't listening in the beginning. This is the last section, and like I said before, you have to make sure that the section is moisturized. So I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner on there. Now I feel like the leave-in conditioner moistens the hair, you know, gives it moisture. So for this particular section, I will not be spraying water like I did before. I eventually stopped spraying water for some of the other sections, but I just want to show you guys, you know, because the first one that I did, I sprayed water, and this one I'm not going to be spraying water. FYI, the oil in here is still my Mega Growth oil, okay? So when I'm done applying all of that, it's time to go in with the blow dryer. Oh, hold on, I always forget. It's time to detangle, okay? Make sure your section is detangled properly. I'm going to use my brush to pull my hair taut. I'll make sure the entire section is within the brush. So as you can see, my hair is pulled taut. Then I'm gonna go with my blow dryer. Remember, medium heat, okay? And don't forget social distancing between your hair and the blow dryer. Alright? Now that I am done blow drying that section, I'm going to trim my hair. First of all, I'm going to make sure that the section is properly detangled. After detangling, I gather up my bad ends and I snip them off. Let those unhealthy ends go, sister. I must say I am very satisfied with how this turned out. My ends are feeling super soft and super healthy. My afro is all big, blown out, and you know, I like the look, okay? I like the look. I will definitely be doing this again, but obviously you're not supposed to blow dry your hair too often, so I'm not gonna be doing that, you know, but I would definitely blow dry my hair again because I am loving the outcome. Okay, thank you so much, bubsbee, for the inspiration, for the direction and everything. I should probably show you guys just how much hair I cut off. So this is the total amount of hair that I cut off, and to be honest, it is not that bad. It's not as much as some of the trims that I've seen. But I'm happy to let this go for the better health of my hair. I'm super happy. I'm super satisfied with what is going on in my head right now. Like, ooh. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you still haven't, make sure you like and subscribe, okay? It's a big red button down below, down there. I think it's here or here. I don't know where it is. It's down, okay? It says subscribe. You could just hit it, okay? And hit the bell as well so you get notified every single time that I post a new video. Don't forget to drop a comment so I know that you dropped by, and share this video with every single person that you know. Alright? So I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye!